Grab the plastic acorn nut, the 3/4 inch carriage bolt, the flange nut, and the black nylon washer out of the white hardware box that came with the desk hardware kit. Insert the carriage bolt into the middle of the slot on the desk arm bracket. Slide the black nylon washer onto the bolt, followed by the flange nut. Slide the bouncing arm onto the bolt and then use the black acorn nut on the end of the bolt. You do not need to tighten the nut too much at this time, because most likely your desk will need final adjustment at the end of the installation process. Repeat the same steps to attach the other arm desk bracket to the other balancing arm if you opted for a full width desk board.